In this video, I'm going to show you how to find old emails in Gmail by date. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first things first is head on over to your Gmail account. Then from here, we need to click into search mail. So now type in before and then colon. Now basically after that, we need to type out the specific date that we want to search for. So say for example, I want to put in 2024, then / and then put in the month. So I'm going to say 09, so 2024 09, and we also need to put in the day. So / 20, then click enter. So now this is going to show all the emails before the 20th of the 9th, 2024. Now another way to do this is to come back to search, type in older _ then, and then colon again. Now we can, depending what year, so if I want to do 2 years before, I can put in 2Y, which means 2 years. Or I can type in 6M. So this is for 6 months, press enter. So you can play around with the months and years here. Now the last method is to clear the search box, click on to show search options. Then from here, we've got more search options. Now where it says date within, we can go ahead and change that. So I can change this to say 2 months. So date within 2 months, and also the date here. So I want to go ahead and say I want to change this to say 6 months, and then choose a date you want to go ahead and choose to search within that 6 months. So I can come back to say January 2025, click on yes, and then click on to search. Then in the search, it's going to show you here. So it says after 1st of the 7th, 2024, and before the 2nd of the 7th, 2025.